Previously on Kung Fu Maintenance, I showed you how to take off a tub spout from the front so that it wouldn't come apart in the wall. And I didn't think I'd be recording this particular video on the tub spout, so I didn't start that way. So it's going to jump in a little bit to a different problem, but I did show how you can take off the tub spout, a couple tricks to make it release from the front instead of inside the wall on that video. But today's video is a little different. So I've got a tub spout that will not thread on. When I took off the old one, here's the old one. Look how crazy that is. It's definitely been leaking inside there. But what happened was it was only on like the first thread. And my thought is that it's stripped because when I was trying to put the new one on, I can't seem to get it to go on. It's a little trickier because I can't see it inside there. What I have is a 1/2-inch supply line. It's for a sink supply line. What I can do is try to get this started on there first, and that way I make sure I get the threads started. As long as this thread profile lines up, hopefully I can straighten out these threads a bit to give me a little more, ability to get the other one on there more. So that's what I'm going with. These tub spouts can be tricky, to say the least. We definitely don't want it leaking inside there. And this one, like I said, I should have filmed it, but here we go. So here's our new one. Hopefully it starts nice. This one, hopefully we can get it seated right to the end. This will be our final turn, and we definitely got a good thread, so that's good. Alright, one more turn around here. Oh man, and we'll be all set. That's the tricky part. Actually gonna again go with the, I don't think I'm going to get that last turn that way, so I'm going to go again with this deal and do a little bit of tape here. That way hopefully I can straighten these deals a little more. Kind of a crazy one, but these are the things you encounter out there. Okay. It's a metal deal, so hopefully that'll give us the extra ability, the extra turning that we need to finish this one off. Clear up the threads a bit. At least now we know it's threaded on. The other one, like I said, was hanging off and why it was leaking. Alright. Here's hoping. Is the final turn. Wow, just need a quarter turn more. Oh boy. Wow. I'm afraid if I put a tool on there that I'll damage it. See. Alright, I need to think of something else. This sucker is not going to turn that final bit. Alright. Okay, it's going to be a tough one. I have an old faucet here. What I'm going to do is take the deal from here, and what I have is a angle stop, and I'm going to see if these threads are the same threads. If the threads are the same, and they're not really, not the same threads, so it's not going to work. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take a look at this compression fitting that I just took off. Let's see if that'll get us on there further. Okay, so here's the one. This was a new one, and here's an old one, and so the gasket's already kind of squished down. Hopefully this will let me redo it a little further. Oh gosh. And I may need to take off some of this tape as well. Some old Teflon tape, and that way it just is less in the way. Less in the way of anything going on here. And kind of try to clean up the threads with my knife here. Yeah. I'm super busy. Don't have time for this silly thing. It's got to be done. So let's see if I can get this on further and get us that last amount of turning that we need. Here's where we were before. Okay, that's going to have to do it. I'm going to try to get it straight up. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to take it off. Okay. Okay. I think it's going to work now. I'm not going to use any Teflon tape. This is a no. I say that and I go, well, I'll use one wrap to make it easier in the future to be able to take off. One and a half wrap. There we go. Oop. Not over the front. There we go. Okay. Yeah, and being super busy definitely doesn't make this any easier. Feeling the pressure of that. Here goes, the final turn. Yeah. Okay. We're in. That was a crazy one. Make sure we're not leaking. Nope, no leaking. Good to go. Nice new faucet. And the crazy things you go through, but that's how you could get through it if you needed to. An old supply line. Just straightening out the threads on a crazy tub spout. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the description.